I wanted to show you something I did with these, what do you call them? Storage cubes. This one looks like something fell against it, tore it, but what I had done, I didn't do it to the sides, just front, I think. It's been a while. I put Mod Podge all over it. And so you can tell the handle's kind of stiff. And that way, you know, if it gets real filthy looking, I can wipe it down. And yeah, it's over that little sticker too. So I can wipe it down without harming the sticker. And over here, a lot of people, you know, that if something's not where they can see it, they just forget about it. And clear toes would probably been a good idea, but I wanted color. So what I've done, let me see if I can zoom in. Well, let me turn them upward. So what I've done is I poked a little hole in the box, and that way I can hang something, or like right here, I didn't poke a hole, I just stuck one of the hooks. And then, so I know that one's full of foam stickers. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Like right here, that's a stamping tool you can use with your wood burning tool. And so I know that's what's in there. Uh-oh. And so there we go. Now let me get another one. Okay, and that one has that little clear hook on it. So that's all my clear hooks and hanging things. And that one with a little tulip. All kind of pretty stickers. So I'll show you this sticker I used over here. That is because the doorknob would hit the wood. So maybe it's a door, I don't remember. So I put a lot of padding there with those. And I don't remember if I had to add glue or if I just stuck them on there. But anyway, just wanted to share that little tip with you. And let me see if I got another one. If I can get around here. Right there is, that box contains things for hanging curtain rods. I love those two boxes right there. Not the blue one. Well, I mean, I like it too, but those two beside it, I like them a lot. Most of my boxes are empty for now, but I'm sure I'll fill them up. But since I'm over here, I'll show you. It's like a child shelf. I got it at thrift store. And I keep things in this too. It's like a little purse thing. And there's my gloves. And I just painted that wall sconce to hold the basket. It's got my files and stuff in it. I was organized at one point out here. It didn't last long. And I got those colorful things with other things in them. My little dustpan. And let's see. I got my little moving things over there, and my grandson's got one over there too. Let's see what else. Here's a shelf, little containers. I think they had screws and nails in them. We'll figure it back out. But yeah, I like these. I like these bright shells. They look good out here. Just want to show you that. And these baskets under here, they have some of my attachments that goes to my tools and stuff. And when I'm out here regular, I can remember what's in what, but right now I just totally don't remember. And then underneath, I got bright totes. I mix match the lids with the totes. There's one that's got my lamp stuff in it. And that, or maybe that one does. But anyway, and then I've got, well, there's one there. It's purple with pink lid. And I've got one that's full of like cheap tablecloths. Oh, I gotta put that thing on loft too. It's full of pink tablecloths. Not pink tablecloths, cheap tablecloths that I can use when I'm painting. That I just got at Dollar Tree. And but yeah, I saw that little tack shelf. I might try to get that word off of it. But you know, it'd be easy to wipe down, and that little tack stuff's pretty tough, so yeah. Now, that frame used to be gold. But, oh, that would look good in the center of a flower, wouldn't it? Big flower. Maybe that one. And there's my apron that I never put on. But, yeah. There's hope. And then, let me show you this. That's a, another sconce-like thing, I guess. And that's one of those, I guess, a bicycle hook. I don't know. I just ran it right into it. And I painted it purple with a little blue on the edges. And so eventually, these little boxes will have stuff in them. Or I'll get rid of them. I don't know. I'm sure I can fill them up. And I've got a lot of empty bags back there that's bright and colorful. Yeah. And let's see, with this one, I got a paint can opener, so when it's not overrun, I can tell what's in there. And that one, I labeled special paints. I don't know. That one has my rags and stuff. And I got a tiny pink little plastic hamper that I keep the dirty rags in. And then I can just take them in and wash them. And that's my grandson's little tote. It has his things in it. Well, it did. I think it's all got mixed up, so I'll have to get that fixed. And he has a lot of these bags with the Minions. There's quite a few of them there. They're just buried. But he might be outgrown from Minions now. But anywho, I'll be busy soon. I'll be enjoying this thing soon. And you know what I might do? I don't know. We'd have to seal it up to get one of those air conditioner units that puts out heat and air. Because of my breathing trouble, I don't think I can use any kind of propane or any of that, you know. And a little tiny electric heater just ain't gonna get it in the cold weather. So, figure something out. But anyway, I hope you find this interesting. And oh, I got it up there by myself. That table with the slats on top. But I gave Chandelier a hard time, but I did it. It survived, barely. Oh, thanks for watching.